For any sport, it takes years of practicing to be considered good, but you must go above and beyond to be one of the best. Robert Major's wrestling career is a perfect example of what it takes to achieve athletic excellence. Robert William Major was born on July 12, 2003 in Downers Grove, Illinois. Throughout his early years, he experimented with a wide variety of sports, such as soccer and basketball, but one sport really inspired and interested him: wrestling.
I started wrestling when I was 7, so I started wrestling for a really small team called the Downers Grove Cougars. Now they're called the Downers Grove Wrestling Club, but then I switched over to the Bolingbrook Junior Raiders, and then I did club there, and then I finally switched to Greg Gomez training until I went to high school, where I wrestled for DGS for the first 3 years, and then I transferred to Carmel High School in Indiana.
In winter of 2020, Robert Major placed second at the Indiana State Finals tournament. That is so far the biggest accomplishment in his career.
It was just really special for me because I was ranked in Illinois the past 3 years, and unfortunately I wasn't able to place at state even though I knew I could. And then it was a really scary thought, thinking how I might not be able to have the season this year. And being able to move and have that opportunity was really special to me. And the team, my new team there, was really supportive and helped me along the way through everything. And to be able to succeed with them and make the state finals and just be under the spotlight and wrestle with everything I got, it was just a super special moment and a memory I'll carry with me for the rest of my life.
Robert's work ethic and dedication play a major role in his success. People close to him certainly don't let this go unnoticed.
I think he works extremely hard. He is either working out or at wrestling practice. He's eating well. I think he just does everything that you could possibly do and has a really strong mindset and mentality when it comes to that. And I know he's helped me through my things with sports and other things with my work ethic, and I think it's incredible what he does.
Yeah, usually he's got practices in the morning, so that's usually like 2 hours. Always after school, he's on the grind, weight room, cutting weight, even just like day-to-day life. So that all of it's around the grind, and he's got to go to bed early and do all that stuff.
Robert's younger brother and biggest supporter, Michael Major, is following in his footsteps and really looks up to him. They have an extremely close relationship.
We play a lot of video games together. He helps me a lot with my schoolwork and wrestling, like teaching me moves and stuff.
On top of Robert's amazing athletic skill, his kind, thoughtful, and laid-back personality clearly shows how genuine and humble he really is.
What stands out about him is that his selflessness, that he always puts his friends and his family before himself. I think that really resembles who he is as a person, and I know it has made a huge difference in my life. I know it makes a huge difference in all of his friends' lives too.
He's really thoughtful for other people. He always put others in front of himself, and he helps out with a lot of stuff too.
Outside of being one of the greatest wrestlers in the nation, Robert likes to have fun with his friends and is overall just fun to be around.
I would describe Robert Major as super fun guy to hang around. He's got that party animal sense in him. He's always fun, making the room lit. He's the center of the room.
One of my favorite memories of Rob is when he pushed me in a bush downtown Naperville.
On March 4th, 2021, Robert committed to Indiana University to wrestle with the Big Ten. His wrestling career will continue to succeed as long as he keeps his positive attitude.
He is obviously very, very good. He's going D1, but I think what makes the difference between him and the other D1 wrestlers that he'll be wrestling with is his attitude, and just how genuine he is as a teammate and as a person. He wants to be the best, but also wants to see his teammates succeed. So I think that that is really going to take him far in college, and I can't wait to cheer him on at IU.